Yeah, it's Sunday, 14th. Gerda and I got the deck completed. This is the coating we used, Sherwin-Williams Super Deck and Dock coating. Of course, you can get any color tint you want. This stuff is as thick as chocolate pudding. It reminds me of the paint I used when I was in the Navy. Also has a grit mixed into it, so it's not a slippery surface. Here's the final result. The color we chose was called chocolate. All said and done, 2 of us working. We probably have 10 hours in it total, worker hours. Again, the most important thing is the prep. Putting on the coating, that didn't take 2.5 hours. I'm old. She didn't have a lot of experience painting, so I had to spend a lot of time teaching her how to paint. But she did a damn good job. Whole thing is, on a project like this, you want it to end up looking like you didn't do anything. That's the whole key to a quality job. We did the math. It only took 1.5 gallons of paint coating. This deck is 10 by 24 wide that way, 10 foot this way. So it's 240 square foot with the rails, about another 150 square foot total, inside, outside, tops, bottoms. Got real good coverage on that coating. I guarantee you, one of these so-called tradesmen here in East Texas would have attempted to charge me $1,000 for this job. We did the math. Materials was about 120 bucks. I promise you, the so-called painter around here would have attempted to charge me $1,000 and done a crappy job. We'll let it dry. Tomorrow I'll go back and hit any touch-ups I need to do. I already see a couple, just very end down to the bottom. Little spot like that. There's no one there. But this coating, I'm real dang impressed with it. Now, we also got it at a deep discount. I get both a contractor discount, and the sale price was better than my contractor discount. So I was real happy with all that. Homeowner non-sale price, this stuff is $68 a gallon, which is still pretty reasonable based on what the product is and how much coverage you get. I'm not going to paint a house with it, but for a deck, if there's anything better, I don't know what it is. It's not a stain. It's a high density paint product. Stain soaks into the wood. This deck and dock coating actually builds up and seals the wood. I think it's going to be a hell of a lot better than just stain. Anyway, that's how I spent my Sunday along with Gerda. Birds are already enjoying it. So that's all for today. Thank you.